We acknowledge with gratitude our wardrobe provider and designer of our artistry and support on stage. Let's give her a round of applause to Madame Jonathan Felicilda Emeterio. Madame Jonathan Felicilda Emeterio.
To go on 225. Be careful, Icamo. Magandang gabi, Kokawaleños. Tonight is not just a celebration, but of beauty, but also showcase of intellectual confection. Before we proceed now to the awarding of our special award, ladies and gentlemen, at this point of time, allow me to introduce myself. I am host Chair DJ from 88.7 Radio 600 and of course, a licensed professional teacher. An event host, event seeker, first time for having you tonight as a witness, as a host, as a yes ng Tukawan 2025. Sa lahat ng dito ngayon, bigyan nyo naman masigabong palakpakan. Ayun mga sarili, thank you so much for having you tonight as we will witness our beautiful dear ladies. Bigyan ko natin sila ng masigabong palakpakan. To our SE Council, goodness year performance. And of course, to our Barangay Tukawan Barangay Council, hindi ko mag-ibig sa isa,